Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a plant-based protein powder that's organic, packed with nutrients, and great for meal replacement, then you're in the right place. Today, we are reviewing Garden of Life Vegan Protein Powder or Organic Meal Replacement to see if it really lives up to the hype. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about what this product is all about. This is the Garden of Life or Organic Meal Replacement, a completely plant-based protein powder that's organic, non-GMO, gluten-free, and soy-free. It's designed to be a nutritious meal replacement packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and probiotics. 20 grams of plant-based protein from organic peas, sprouted brown rice, and other grains. 7 grams of fiber for digestion and satiety. Probiotics and enzymes for gut health. 21 vitamins and minerals from whole foods. Less than 1 gram of sugar, naturally sweetened with stevia. It's designed to fuel your body while keeping you full, making it great for people on the go. Now, let's talk about taste and texture. I have two versions here, one mixed with water and another with almond milk. Let's see how it holds up. So, with just water, it's a little chalky and earthy, but still drinkable. With almond milk, it tastes much creamier and smoother. If you're not a fan of the natural taste, I recommend blending it into a smoothie with bananas or peanut butter. High quality, organic ingredients, great for meal replacement, packed with nutrients and probiotics. No artificial sweeteners or fillers. Can be a little gritty in texture, slightly earthy taste. Not for everyone. A bit pricey compared to other proteins. So, is Garden of Life Vegan Protein Powder or Organic Meal Replacement worth it? If you're looking for a clean, nutrient-packed, organic meal replacement that supports digestion and overall health, this is a fantastic option. If you prefer something super smooth and sweet, you might want to explore other options. But overall, I'd give this an alright. That's a wrap on today's review. Have you tried this protein powder before? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews. See you in the next one. Stay healthy and strong.